Cheers Jinendra, I am Chetan Jain from Bharat, and now I will teach you how you could land your potential clients using omkar.cloud, our lead generation software. So what you really need to do here is, it's a two-step process. You need to find clients using omkar.cloud using your criteria that you want, and then you need to reach them out by email and LinkedIn using good email template. So first is, we need to find clients. Let's say that we want to market our marketing services to people in the information service industry. So we'll enter the industry, information services. We want to talk directly to the CEO. So we'll enter here CEO. And then we want it to be in the United States. So we'll enter United States as the country. And then we will use the technology as Salesforce, which is a CRM software. So now I have a list of clients that I could reach out to. So we'll get their email. Now I have their email, then and I have their LinkedIn URL also. So I will reach them out. Okay. So I will be using this email template, which basically introduces them to our services. They tell them their pain point and they give an example that we have at this companies, and then it asks as a call to action to meet them using a calendar link. So it's a good template. So I will use that. So I will use the name of the client and just send it. And that's it. Okay, I will also send a LinkedIn connection request at the same time to increase my response rates. So I will enter a message here, which is this, and I will send it. So that is a simple process that you could use to land clients for your services using Omkar Cloud. I hope this video was helpful, and the next thing is I want to give you a call to action so that you could go ahead and put this knowledge into practice. So what you really need to do is to find your ideal clients using Omkar Cloud and reach them out via email and LinkedIn using our given template. The download link is in the description, so go ahead and use it. Thank you very much for watching this video.